Hello everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to create and delete green screen on CapCut. While everyone seems to enjoy using green screen edits in their films these days, the selfie video may be elevated to a new level with a meme, a dynamic video effect, or imaginative banners. So all you need is a video editor like CapCut with a green screen feature if you want to take advantage of this trend. I'll walk you through using CapCut's green screen feature to quickly and easily erase the background. So to start, you have to launch your CapCut application and then you have to import or tap this new project and select a video from your gallery. Search for overlay and look for the option add overlay. Import the green screen picture. Okay, here it is. Now you just adjust the position, and once you're okay with that, you just have to search for cutout, which is this one. Once you tap this, you have to click this Chrome key, tap the color picker, click the green one, and then click intensity. Now you just have to adjust and look for the result that you wanted to. Okay, so that's it. As you can see here, the green screen has been removed and you can adjust it anywhere on this video. Also, if you want to adjust its shadow, you can tap the Chrome key again and adjust its shadow if you want to. But if you're okay with the result, then you can simply tap this arrow facing up and export your video. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.